नेटवर्क इशू है का, आई डोंट नो.
Maybe. Would request you to please put your तुम्ही फक्त म्यूट करा आणि कॅमेरा बंद करा. मी थोड्याच वेळाने इंट्रोड्यूस करणार.
मी करू का?
Thank you. All right. Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to you all on the very first edition of Priority Number One. Well, I am your moderator today for the very first edition of Priority Number One. I am Kashmita Bhatia, and I'm super delighted to welcome all the viewers, our entire virtual audience on this show. So, well, when we are talking about a vibrant discussion wherein, we are keeping only one topic in our mind, that is what matters in the times of this pandemic situation, the COVID-19. It has put all of us in a mismare. We all are so stressed. We all are scared, clueless. We don't know कि ये वक्त हमें कहाँ, कैसे और कब ले जाएगा. तो जहाँ हम कुछ चीज़ों को एक चैनलाइज जगह दिशा नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, तो हम अपनी प्रायोरिटी सेट करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होते जा रहा है काफ़ी लोगों के लिए. हम लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि हम हमारी कुछ चीज़ों को किस तरह से सॉर्ट आउट करें. और स्पेशली जब हम बात करते हैं कि हमें घर पर रहना है, सुरक्षित रहना है, तो घर एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है जो हम सभी अब मानकर चल रहे हैं. फिर चाहे हम अपने खुद के घर में रहें या फिर बाद में शायद हम टेनेंट होकर किसी और के घर पे रहे. तो इन सारी चीज़ों को मैं भी इन सारी चीज़ों को एज अ कन्फ्यूजन मानने लगी हूँ. और इन सारे कन्फ्यूजन को काफ़ी हद तक दूर किया है हमारे आज के पैनलिस्ट ने. तो मैं एक एक करके हमारे पैनलिस्ट को वेलकम करूँगी और उनका इंट्रोडक्शन करूँगी. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द व्यूअर्स टू काइंडली ट्यून इन टू get your questions answered in a most easiest way. So welcoming my very first speaker, जो कि है Mr. उमेश पवार from DreamWorks Reality. सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज के इस प्रायोरिटी नंबर 1 के पैनल डिस्कशन पे. आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप अपनी डिवाइस को अनम्यूट करें और कैमरा पर आ जाएं. वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू मिस्टर उमेश पवार.
हाय.
हमारे दूसरे स्पीकर हैं मिस्टर अनुज माथुर, जो कि अनुज माथुर रियल्टर्स के ओनर है. अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू सर.
हाय, गुड इवनिंग ऑल.
हाय, गुड इवनिंग. और हमारे तीसरे पैनल मेंबर है मिस्टर जेम्स दुराईराज, द जेम्स पॉल रियल्टर्स के ओनर. अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू मिस्टर जेम्स. Would request you to please unmute your.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, everyone. So, okay, I want to ask you. आप सभी से मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि ये जो वक्त है, ये बहुत ही मुश्किल समय है. किसी ने सोचा नहीं था कि ऐसा वक्त हम सभी पर आएगा. तो कैसे ये दिन बीत रहे हैं आप सभी के घर पर, मिस्टर जेम्स?
Yeah. But it's very hard time. But देखा जाएगा तो ये मुश्किल की घड़ी है. फिर भी we are doing our work and all from sitting at home, taking care of every family.
Right.
और ऑनलाइन बिजनेस वगैरह करते बैठे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि टफ टाइम है तो उसको हम सीरियसली ले सकते हैं. But we are not serious that much. We are fighting for it, and we will definitely win for this virus, coronavirus.
I'm so certain. Mr. Anuj, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
See, well, definitely yes. These are the testing times for all of us. We can definitely, we all have faced the heat. Each one of us have, this particular pandemic situation is such, which was definitely, which is happening for the very first time in our generation time at least. And I must say that this is a challenging time. We are certainly locked, but yes, we are not down. There are a lot of opportunities which are lying. As we all say that, every crisis comes with an opportunity. So yes, I must say, and I must repeat that we are locked, but certainly we are not down. We are certainly looking in for a lot of ways out to perform in this particular pandemic time, and certainly trying to learn to live with it up to a good extent. Thank you very much.
थँक्यू मिस्टर अनुज. वेल उमेशजी, आपण भरपूर दिवसांपासून घरी बसलोय लॉकडाऊनमध्ये, तर कसे कसे दिवस हे चालले तुमचे? तुम्ही काय करताय या लॉकडाऊनमध्ये? असं काही स्पेसिफिक कसं वाटतंय तुम्हाला? काय माइंडसेट आहे तुमचा आता सध्या?
फर्स्ट थिंग, हा न्यू नॉर्मल जे रुटीन असणार आहे, ॲक्सेप्टन्स ची वाट बघतोय आपण. आपली न्यू नॉर्मल रुटीन काय असणार आहे, हा चेंज आपण बघतोय. या लॉकडाऊन मध्ये 3 महिन्यामध्ये आपण बऱ्याचशा न्यूज ऐकतोय, वाईट न्यूज ऐकतोय. पण मला एक वॉरेन बफेटचं एक वाक्य इथं आठवतं की जेवढं बॅड न्यूज आपण ऐकतो तेवढ्याच नवीन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज येतात. तर सो वी आर ऑल वेटिंग फॉर न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज.
राइट, ग्रेट. सो आज हमारे जितने भी पैनल मेंबर्स हैं, हमारे तीनों पैनल मेंबर्स की हम सोच सकते हैं एक ही सोच है, एंड दे ऑल आर वेरी थॉटफुल एंड वेरी positive towards the pandemic situation. We are ready to, I would rather say we are ready to fight along with this and move ahead with the situation. तो कुछ सवाल थे जो हमारे पास आए थे और हमने उन सवालों को जॉट डाउन किए हैं ताकि हम आप सभी से उन सवालों का जवाब लें और जाने कि आपका क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है इस बारे में. तो मेरा पहला सवाल था आप सभी के लिए, जो मैं एक एक करके आप सभी से जानना चाहूँगी कि ऐसी कौन सी सबसे ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल जगह है आपकी घर के अंदर? मिस्टर जेम्स, क्या आप सवाल का जवाब देना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, of course. No option here without saying it is my home. The best place is my bedroom. To sit and do all no disturbance.
So bedroom is your most comfortable place in the house.
Yeah.
Mr. Anuj, which is your comfortable place?
See, ma'am, I'm fortunate enough that I have been putting up in a duplex penthouse. So the best place for me is my terrace, which gives me the lush green surrounds view, serenity of the areas around. I live on NDA Road, so this area is actually full of lush greenery around. It gives me a very good, fresh start of the day, of course, yes. And a good sigh of relief when you feel mentally exhausted. Whenever I feel that okay, I am, I need to ever change sort of a thing. So I certainly go around, look at the nature around, and feel fresh. So for me, the best place is the open areas of my place.
The most comfortable place of yours.
Certainly.
उमेशजी तुमच्या, थँक्यू मिस्टर अनुज. उमेशजी, तुमच्यासाठी सर्वात जास्त कम्फर्टेबल प्लेस कुठली आहे घरामध्ये?
तर घरातली, आता आय एम कम्प्लिटली अग्री विथ अनुज सर. माझी सगळ्यात घरातली फेवरेट प्लेस म्हणजे घरातलं टेरेस. जिथे तुम्ही अर्ली मॉर्निंग टी एन्जॉय करू शकता, संध्याकाळचा टी एन्जॉय करू शकता, फॅमिलीवर यू कॅन स्पेंड टाइम. आणि ओव्हर द विकेंड किंवा कधीतरी तुमच्या क्लोज अकाउंटंट बरोबर यू कॅन एन्जॉय ओव्हर द ड्रिंक. सो माझं फेवरेट प्लेस घरातली टेरेस.
Thank you, Mr. Umesh, for answering that question. Well, coming up to my next question, which is, what is the difference in between a house and a home? Mr. James, can you please answer that?
Home is any place where you can comfortable and feel if you can be yourself. Okay. Your home is a place where you just feed off positive energy, feel free. It does not matter whether your home is outside or nature or in or apartment, as long as your heart is there. That's
your answer. Thank you, Mr. James. Mr. Anuj, आप क्या सोचते हैं इस बारे में?
Well, ma'am, for me, I must say, when I was going to the question, as you said, that what is the difference between a home and a house? I would certainly like to put it this way, that any structure, the structure which is made up of brick and mortar, can be easily called as a house. But when the elements of love, warmth, affection is added to it, it becomes a home. For me, that is the true definition of being in a home. That is an ideal place in the world which actually calls you at the end of the day. I should feel like coming back home. I should feel like coming back to my near and dear ones. I should feel like coming back to my abode, which gives me a sense of security, which gives me a sense of belonging to. that's what I would perfectly call it as a home. Thanks.
Thank you. Beautifully said. उमेश जी, हाऊस आणि होम मध्ये तुम्हाला काय वाटतं, काय डिफरन्स आहे तुमच्या पर्स्पेक्टिव्हने?
हा, मला वाटतं डिफरन्स बिटवीन हाऊस अँड होम, मला वाटतं होम विच इज बिलॉंग्स टू यू. मला इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट अटॅच टू द होम, बट यू आर ऑल्सो इन्व्हॉल्व विथ युअर होम. ओके, आणि मे बी हाऊस कॅन बी यू कॅन अटॅच विथ द हाऊस ॲज वेल, बट रेंटल स्पेस कॅन बी अ हाऊस. म्हणजे हा दोन डिफरन्स मला होम आणि हाऊसमध्ये वाटतो.
वंडरफुल, थैंक यू सो मच. अपन बघतोय आता, हम देख रहे हैं कि ये पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन ने कैसे हम सभी का माइंडसेट बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज कर दिया है, हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस सभी का काफ़ी हद तक चेंज हो गया है. सो इस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन ने आपकी पर्सपेक्टिव को घर की तरफ कैसे चेंज किया है? क्योंकि हम कह रहे हैं कि आप घर रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. तो मिस्टर जेम्स, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
Yes, in many ways we always thought it is our professional that more important. But now the past 4 months have very tough time. Very tough time means ऐसा 3 महीना तो ऐसा 2 महीना तो ऐसा बाहर निकलने जाने के लिए इतना टफ था कि कोई. And I am staying with a big joint family, 20 members at my home. I have a bungalow, but 9-bedroom bungalow, but 20 people staying. The I have small children is there. I have to take a lot of care of these children. Everybody in joint families, my brother's wife, everybody is there. I love it with the joint family and all, but we are taking care of it. It's taken a tough time, but we are facing all the tough time. And the first, my people of I live in my home. Nothing replace them. Like means उसके सिवा कुछ है नहीं, क्योंकि घर एक ऐसा है परिवार. That is about.
बिल्कुल, 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 बहुत बढ़िया. मिस्टर अनुज, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
Well, man, certainly yes. These times of pandemic has actually, like changed the definition of a lot of things, changed the parameters, changed the perspective of how we look at a lot of things in life, including a very aspect called home. I was actually being reminded that, if we see, some time back regarding the advertisement world and all, even if we give you an example of some paint brands and all, where, like all of them had taglines like "हर घर कुछ कहता है," ये तेरा घर ये मेरा घर, किसी को देखना होगा तो पहले आके मांग ले मेरी नजर. So basically, all these punchlines, all these taglines have started sounding pretty meaningful now. Till some time back, I must say, as we all know that this is for the very first time we're passing through this tough phase of our lives. Challenging part, of course, something very new. So yes, I must say it has changed the definition of owning a home. Till some time back, people used to say that putting money in your an asset or basically your home. A lot of alternative investment bankers or alternative investment like the counselors, they used to say that investment in a home is a dead investment. So
Right.
people used to take it that way.
Correct.
But now, during these times, especially, this is my personal feel. But yes, during these times, personally, that no matter what, how fond of shopping you are, so your that luxury of you own a luxury car, it's lying parked in the parking of no use, almost dead. You talk about social life, partying and all, that is dead. Your social life is dead. So, during all this time, all of a sudden, that dead investment, which was earlier called as a home, has become life. It has given a new definition of life. It has given new definition to a lot of relationships where you get to know, like each other still better. I must say, in today's time, when we all are busy with our respective businesses and day schedules and lifestyles, even within home also. Yes, we are. Since we are spending good chunk of time with each other, we are really getting to know each other better. Spending much better time within the four walls has certainly changed the perspective of home for me.
Correct. Beautifully said. Thank you, Mr. Anuj.
Thank
उमेश जी, तुमचा काय पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह आहे घराबद्दल? आता सिच्युएशन इतके बदललेत की आपण घरीच राहतोय. तर त्याच्याबद्दल काय पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह आहे तुमचा घराबद्दल?
हा कशा माझा आवाज क्लिअर येत नाहीये. still मला जे काय प्रश्न कळाला त्याचं उत्तर मी देतोय की आता आपण वर्षानुवर्ष एक गोष्ट ऐकत आलो आहे की किंवा शिकत आलोय की आपल्या पूर्वजांनी आपल्याला सांगितलेलं आहे की रोटी, कपडा और मकान या 3 मूलभूत आपल्या गरजा आहेत. पण आता या पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशन मध्ये लास्ट 3 महिन्यामध्ये अजून मूलभूत गरज समोर ती म्हणजे हेल्थ, आपलं आरोग्य. आणि हे आरोग्य आपल्याला सांभाळायचं असेल तर सगळ्यात सेफेस्ट प्लेस जे असेल ते म्हणजे आपण आपल्या घरी बसून आपली हेल्थची काळजी घेऊ शकतो आणि घरचं अन्न खाऊन आपण काळजी घेऊ शकतो. तर हा एक पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह की हे इट कॅन बी अ न्यू नॉर्मल गोष्ट. ह्या 4 मूलभूत गरजा समोर येणार आहेत किंवा हा एक न्यू नॉर्मल ट्रेंड असणार आहे.
बरोबर बरोबर आहे. तर आपण जेव्हा न्यू नॉर्मल बद्दल बोलतोय तर न्यू नॉर्मल मध्ये काय घरच एक अशी जागा आहे जिथे आपण सेफ राहू शकतो, काय तीच एक जागा राहणार आहे आपल्यासाठी?
म्हणजे आता आपण बघतोय आपण 3 महिन्यामध्ये 2 वेळा लॉकडाऊन डिक्लेअर झालं आणि प्रत्येक जण आपण आपल्या जो सेफ फील करतो तो दुसरा मला वाटतं तो फील येऊ शकत नाही आपल्याला.
बरोबर. थैंक यू मिस्टर उमेश. मिस्टर जेम्स, मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि क्या इस न्यू नॉर्मल में घर ही एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर हमें रहना है?
No homes is not just a place in the new normal. Okay, there is a lot of बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला है. Still we are learning.
जी. ओके. मिस्टर अनुज, आप क्या हमें बताना चाहेंगे? Is home just a place to stay in the new normal? Is that what we are going to think now?
I would rather put it in this way that home is the only place where you will feel live. Where you will feel alive. You will feel you can actually, like live life to the best of the zeal. You can actually,
Right.
like start your day the same way when what we used to start earlier while going to our respective offices. While I understand that going into the field and all is being restricted due to the social distancing part of it, we should
Correct.
ideally abide by it. But at the same time, I must say, an office can be managed from home. Your social life we can manage from home again by being into the Zoom parties over here, on calls, the way we are interacting right now. We can certainly like shopping and all. There's definitely all e-commerce portals and all. We can buy being at home itself. We can we have started talking. We have got used to. We are picking up it very well. Being with the clients, counseling them, taking them for even the site visits are being done online now. So
Correct.
everything, the comforts and the luxuries of an office or a marketplace, we can have from home. But it is the comfort of home, that feelings of being at home, is something which you can never have being in an office or being in outside anywhere. So certainly, yes, I would say that being at home is something which is the buzzword now. Thank you.
थँक यू मिस्टर अनुज. उमेश जी, घरीच राहणं काय हाच एक न्यू नॉर्मल असणार आहे? मी तुम्हाला पहिले पण विचारलं होतं, पण अजून काही तुम्ही सांगू इच्छिता तर प्लीज सांगा आम्हाला. उमेश जी, तुम्हाला आवाज? हो हो. तर ओके. तर न्यू नॉर्मल मध्ये घरीच राहणं काय हाच एक आपला उद्देश असणार आहे? काय आपण सगळ्या गोष्टी घरी बसूनच करू शकतो का?
हा नाही, आता प्रकारात माझ्यासाठी नवीन एक गोष्ट 2-3 गोष्टी समोर ज्या आल्यात की आपण वर्क फ्रॉम होम हा आतापर्यंत माझा असं इम्प्रेशन होतं की हा फक्त IT कंपन्यांना ते ऍप्लिकेबल आहे. पण बी रिअल एस्टेट कन्सल्टंट मी कधी इमॅजिन न केलं की मला पण वर्क फ्रॉम होम ऑप्शन असणार आहे आणि मी मॅनेज करू शकणार आहे. तर माझं बॅकिंग टीम किंवा आता फुल टाइम घरी बसून वर्क फ्रॉम होम ऑपरेट होतंय आणि 70-80% काम आमचं होतंय. आणि गरज पडली तर आम्ही फील्डवरती डायरेक्टली फील्डवर जाऊन मॅनेज करतोय. दुसरी गोष्ट माझ्या मुलीची स्कूल वर्क फ्रॉम होम हा ऑप्शन झाला तर मला ते सगळ्यात सेफ आणि सिक्युअर वाटतं. म्हणजे हा प्रत्येक बिईंग अ पॅरेंट मला हा सगळ्यात सेफेस्ट ऑप्शन वाटतो की तिला घ्यायला जायचं, वाट बघायची, ती घरून ऑपरेट करते आणि शी इज
आणि तुम्ही बघू सुद्धा शकता की ती कशी अभ्यास करते किंवा भरपूर गोष्टी आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. So,
राईट.
so staying in the house is a new normal. We can sum it up like that to this question. Coming up with my next question. So, how is owning a home better than staying in a house? ये बहुत ही we say that house and a home इसके बीच में एक बहुत ही thin line है जो इसे differentiate करती है. तो इसे own करना क्या एक बहुत ही अच्छी बात हो सकती है हम सभी के लिए. Please, Mr. James, with you. We start with you.
Yes, Kashika. This should be the only target every human being on earth.
Owning a house.
That is, yeah. Every human being on earth. See, this should be the only target of every human being on earth. ये एक चीज है.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. James. Mr. Anuj, what would you like to say about this? That how is owning a home better than staying in a house?
I would, rather put it in a way that it is something without which we really can't do in the times to come.
Right.
As I said, that we can certainly run our commercial activities, our social activities, and even our professional activities also to a good extent, being at home. But we cannot feel being at home by being outside home, like away from the home. We're being in office, being with client, being at a site, being in market, will never get us that sort of a mental peace and satisfaction, the sense of satisfaction, what we get at being home. So certainly, yes, being at home is one thing, and then owning a home is something which certainly gives us the feel of satisfaction and the confidence level of life. That yes, we have a roof over us. In the times when I must say, I can certainly give example of myself over here. A short example, like me, I'm into restaurants business also. I have 2 units. Both of them are again leased out units. So during the time of pandemic and all, when we suffered in terms of my food business as well. So it has become a challenging time that when we cannot say that okay, we are not going to pay rent or we have to go by the moratorium as there in the like in the agreement and all by the various clauses and all. So what happens is at this time when the owner of that particular restaurant space or premises or commercial premises, they may ask you to vacate, or you may feel that okay, we are not making profit, so it's not we are not getting the cost met, so let's vacate the place. But at the end of the day, when you can actually afford to shut down your business, but you cannot afford to shut down your living part of it, which is there at home. Which you at the end of the day you got to be with the family, even if you're locked down amongst the four walls of your own premises. Nothing like it. And as they say, like as in fact, Mr. Jackma has said that this year 2020 is all about being alive. By the end of 2020, if we are still able to breathe, we have already made progress. So, to be alive and to be at a place where you feel alive is only your own home. So, nothing better than that.
Beautifully said, Mr. Anuj. Thank you.
Thank you.
उमेश जी, आपण थँक यू. आपण बोलतोय की आपलं स्वतःचं घर असणं आणि मग त्या घरामध्ये राहणं या दोघांमध्ये खूप अंतर आहे. तसं तर एक बारीकच अंतर आहे, पण तरी पण तुम्हाला काय वाटतं, काय अंतर आहे ह्याच्यामध्ये, ह्या दोन्ही गोष्टींमध्ये?
हां, so only right. So owning a home better than staying is the always better option. आता या पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशन मध्ये, लॉकडाऊन मध्ये मोस्ट ऑफ सोसायटीज मध्ये 2 कॅटेगरीज झाल्या होत्या. की आपण बरेच किस्से ऐकतो की मी माझ्या स्वतःच्या सोसायटीमध्ये ते थोडंफार एक्सपिरियन्स केलं. टेनंट आणि ओनर असे 2 गट झाले आणि मोस्ट ऑफ सोसायटीमध्ये टेनंट लोकांना आपला सावतर आई जशी वागणूक देते त्याच्या मुलाला, त्या प्रकारची वागणूक किंवा त्यांच्यासाठी वेगळे नियम ऍप्लिकेबल झाले होते. त्यामुळे मोस्ट ऑफ
बरोबर.
टेनंट आता लॉकडाऊन जेव्हा संपेल, हा कोविड सिच्युएशन मधून आपण बाहेर पडू, तर त्यांचं सगळं पहिल्यांदा पहिली प्रायोरिटी असेल की ओनिंग अ होम, असं मला वाटतं.
करेक्ट. हो, हे डिफरन्सिएशन एक झालंच होतं. थँक्यू सो मच उमेशजी फॉर highlighting this point. Well, coming up with my next question now, what are your views on investing in properties? Mr. James, we start with you again.
प्रॉपर्टी के जैसा कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट है नहीं. प्रॉपर्टी इज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट इन मेरे लाइफ में. मैं इन माय करियर 36 years इन माय करियर, I don't know how many thousand properties, flats, commercial I've given. I don't know, but उसके all the investors from last 20 years, my client is also still they are calling me and asking me the property. I'm giving them the property. इसके बिना कोई प्रॉपर्टी के बिना कोई दूसरा इन्वेस्टमेंट है नहीं. प्रॉपर्टी इज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट. यू कैन गेट अप्रिशिएट योर मनी एवरीथिंग एंड सेव.
Absolutely true. Thank you, Mr. James.
Yeah.
Mr. Anuj asking,
Thank you.
would like to know your views on this question.
I will certainly put it up, ma'am. Like as they say that the best time to buy a property is 10 years ago. Is 10
Yeah.
years ago. So what I'm trying to highlight is most of the times what we see is that we as buyers certainly pay a cost which is called as cost of indecision.
Right.
Today I may feel like, okay, market is sluggish, I should buy. And then if I keep on looking at the property but not deciding on it, so it is something that when I'm delaying my own decision for any reason, I'm actually paying a cost of indecision which is added to the cost of the property at one point of time, and which makes it an expensive affair for us. At the same time, investment, when we talk about investments in general, so even the three topmost investments preferred so far, one is, let's say, the yellow metal, you say gold, you talk about stock markets and all. So, both the ways that we see, and even the property, as they say that okay, the best time to buy them is when they are at the lowest. Now, if you talk about the stock markets, they are so volatile, the fluctuations are so much over there that customer is really not, the client or the investor are really not getting that sense that okay, where to put in. That is one thing. That which stage to get in. So that is one point. You talk about the gold, it is all-time high rather. So again, so it is basically this particular market only, I must say. See, if we talk about Indian real estate market, I'm sure, all my colleagues will agree with me that we have been actually facing a slump since almost past 5 years. The time demonetization came in, then came in RERA, then came in GST. So all of these factors have been hampering the pricing part of it.
Correct.
So which has already kept the market pulled down since a good long 4.5, 5 years time by now. Rather, this December and January market had started seeing an upward, upwards trend to the market. I must say, as I said in the beginning, that this is the time, this is the chance we are getting to invest when these prices are there. Okay, so if you talk about the positivity in the prices also, this is this COVID-19 pandemic which has given us a new lease of timing to think about an act right now. This is during the COVID timing that the property prices didn't see a rise. They have been actually locked up. They have been actually stagnated since past almost 4 months, 5 months, I must say now. So this is again the best time. Fortunately, the moment we get over the pandemic, if we get the situation is sorted out, once the vaccine comes in market, once the overall economic machinery of the country starts working, I'm sure even real estate sector is going to see a very steady rise in prices. So this is actually the best time to buy. I strongly advocate the theory of investing into real estate at this point of time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anuj. Thank you. Well, उमेशजी तुम्हाला विचारायचं आहे की इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टीमध्ये हा डिसिजन कुठपर्यंत चांगला आहे, करायला पाहिजे की नाही?
हा, ते आपण ओव्हरऑल भारतात मध्ये ऑल टाइम फेवरेट इन्व्हेस्टमेंट टूल म्हणून कायमच रिअल एस्टेट आणि गोल्ड कडे आपण बघत आलोय. आता 10 वर्षामध्ये आपण पाश्चात्य देशांचं ट्रेंड बघून आपण फायनान्शियल प्रोडक्ट अट्रॅक्ट झालो होतो. मे बी म्युच्युअल फंड, स्टॉक. त्या 4 महिन्यामध्ये सगळ्यांना लक्षात आलेलं आहे की आता फायनान्शियल प्रोडक्ट मध्ये तुम्ही म्युच्युअल फंड मध्ये इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करून, स्टॉक मध्ये इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करून त्या आता तुम्हाला त्याच्यामध्ये त्याला कॅपिटल अप्रिशिएशन बघायचं असेल, तुम्हाला आता 10 वर्ष 15 वर्षाचं होरायझन बद्दल वाढ बघायला लागेल. पण रिअल एस्टेट इज अ टँजिबल इन्व्हेस्टमेंट, इट्स ऑल टाइम ॲसेट इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आणि आतापर्यंतचं ट्रॅक रेकॉर्ड आहे ते तुम्हाला रेंटल इन्कम पण बरोबरच तुम्हाला कॅपिटल अप्रिशिएशन पण मिळतं.
बरोबर.
रिअल ॲसेट क्लास इन्व्हेस्टमेंट.
Thank you so much, Umeshji. Coming up with my next question now. So there's a very beautiful saying that I have been able to jot down, that home is where the heart is, and it's a very old saying that says like old is gold saying for all of us. So does this apply to you as well, Mr. James? Would you like to answer this?
Yes, only yes. That is my answer.
You just said it so beautifully that you live with a family wherein there are 20 people who live along with you. So home is where the heart is. Do you think it was possible for you to spend so much time with all your family members in this that you have been able to spend at this point of time?
From I think I started my real estate career at age of 18. Okay. After that, I just leave my home 8:30. I come at 9:30 or 11, 12. Now 3 months. This 3-month time, I spent a lot of time with my family. वो बाहर घर का क्या चलता था, क्या नहीं चलता था, कुछ पता नहीं चलता था. बट अब घर के अंदर क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं है, सब कुछ है. इसके लिए घर वो एक ही प्लेस ऐसा है कि वो घर.
दिल वही जहां.
That's what I love. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. James. Mr. Anuj, what would you like to say about this?
Rather, I'll narrate a funny incident. 3 days back, my wife asked me to wear a mask. I was at home only. She said, "You better put up your mask." I said, "No, I'm not going anywhere, Baba." She said, "Come on, Mama. Whether you're going out or not, it's not that." Like, I've been seeing your face past 4 months home here. No. Well, jokes apart, but yes, certainly I must say, see, earlier the times were such that, like we used to start a day, we get out of home by at 10:30, going to my restaurant or going to my client's place, starting the day at that point of time. I'm not being told where we would be during the lunch time, whether we'll be able to come back or not. And then, directly coming in evening and then again changing and going to the restaurant and all. Coming back in the morning, once I used to leave my place around 10:30, there was no coming back before 12:15 at night, rather, most of the times. Because of being into restaurants and all. So, like, so this particular time frame has actually given us, a lot of not just me time, rather we time. For all of us to be together, for all of us to know a lot about each other, for all of us to gear up for time to come now. Being at home, we have been so much in front of each other that once it opens up, we'll have only and only work to focus on. My wife is not going to ask me कि यार तुमने time नहीं बिताया साथ में. My kids are not going to say कि हमने पापा को देखा नहीं बहुत दिन से. We'll have to focus on the work alone. So this is the time when we are actually enjoying the we time, being at home, being all together, with no worry about early morning appointments, with no worry of early morning meetings and all. watching, binge watching a lot of series till, early morning, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock as well, and still able to start a day a little at leisure at around 11 or so. So this has certainly added a good feature of the comfort and ease into business. Ultimately, yes, enhancing the productivity in all the ways. Like even if you are in IT, you're, a lot of people being into IT, they've been asked to work from home. I agree. A common concern, I must say, at this common platform that yes, it is not that the guys who are working into IT being at home and sitting in front of just their laptops is being an easy job. No, it is not for all of them. But yes, the biggest part, the biggest support is that the moment they switch off their eyes from the screen, what they get to see is their family, their home, their surroundings. They can sip a cup of tea, coffee in the favorite corner of the house. So ultimately, yes, it is the home itself which is adding the value to it. So I must say, in terms of the belief, that yes, it is the older belief which is actually turning out to be a gold now. That yes, we should have a roof over ourselves wherever we stay. Thanks.
Beautifully said, Mr. Anuj. So I can somehow say that it's a boon in the disguise.
I'm sorry, voice is cutting, Kashita.
So
The voice is breaking.
I can say that it's a boon in the disguise.
Very true, very true. Certainly, it goes without doubt.
थँक यू मिस्टर अनुज वन्स अगेन उमेशजी आपण बोलतोय की घर माझं मन तिथे जिथे माझं घर असेल तर ह्या गोष्टीवरती तुम्हाला काय वाटतंय कुठपर्यंत ही गोष्ट खरी आहे
कशात मला तुझे सगळे प्रश्न मला ऐकू नाही त्याच करून उत्तर देतोय मला प्रश्न परत विचार लक्षात नाहीये
पुन्हा एकदा विचारते मी की एक गोष्ट आहे जे आपण सगळे ऐकत आलोय खूप वर्षांपासून की माझं मन तिथेच जिथे माझं घर आहे ही गोष्ट तुम्हाला कुठपर्यंत खरी वाटते
हा आता हे या ड्युरिंग लॉकडाऊन मी आता खूप क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड केला माझ्या मुलीवर माझ्या वाईफ बरोबर आय एम टोटली ॲग्री विथ दिस अनुजनी आणि जेम्सनी ऑलरेडी खूप चांगलं उत्तर त्याच्यावर आय एम ॲग्री इट्स ॲप्लिकेबल टू मी ॲज वेल
ओके वेल थँक्यू मिस्टर उमेश तर एक आपण गोष्ट हे मान्य करू शकतो की एवढा वेळ आपण घरी कधीच स्पेंड नाही केला असतं जेवढा वेळ आपण या काळात स्पेंड केला एकामेकांसोबत किंवा फॅमिली सोबत जे आपण म्हणतो ज्या गोष्टी तुम्ही मिस केलेत त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी करता आल्या तुम्हाला
राईट
थँक्यू मिस्टर उमेश Mr. James, I am coming up with a new question now. Where does home stand for you? How important is home for you?
It's first place. Home is the very important for us. Without home, nothing is there. This is only the first place. My home is secure everything. For the virus also, the home is the best place. Best place for a medicine. Stay safe and take care of everyone. That is this is my first place. Home is the first place.
So that's the importance of home for you.
Yeah.
Mr. Anuj Mathur, what would you like to tell about this? Where does home stand for you?
See, certainly, ma'am, in terms of priorities of life, priorities currently, like since, as I said, that our perspective of, living our own life has changed. These times of pandemic, I must say, they are not just challenging times; they are actually learning times in a lot many ways. I must say. So yes, I would certainly add that, these are the days, these are the times for the empathy, majorly, I must say. Be it empathy towards my colleagues, be it empathy towards the other, like the traders of the market, be it empathy towards everybody who has suffered during this, lockdown period, during this, pandemic times. So the best part about home is that, being at home itself, you can have that connectivity with everyone, man, with everyone around. Let's say I'm sitting over here and still I'm able to connect to you, connect to James Bhai, connect to Umesh Bhai. Like discussing, we keep on discussing a lot of business over net as well, with calls, over Zoom calls, be it, connecting with the social circles where we are related to, be it connecting with even few of the NGOs, the non-governmental organizations with whom we are attached, with whom we do a bit of charity around the year. We get connected with them. So it is the only base where you have the covered place, the shelter, the roof, what we have over our head during these times is something which really gives the most confident factor in us. But yes, home is something which is very, very, very important, I must say. And this theory of the feel of this confidence of going in home or being in a home gets solidifies the moment we see somebody who doesn't have a shelter over his head. During these times, we have seen a lot of people, a lot of migrant people, a lot of labor class people, a lot of poor people or the beggars who have actually lost their homes, not because of the corona alone, but after the corona, there was the cyclone thing which came up, which has actually blown up. Now there you talk about the flooding scene. So see, we can once we lose money, we can certainly earn it back at the point when market becomes better, when the market takes the turn. But it is the home. If that is lost, you lose virtually everything. Because if you don't have a roof over your head, how and where will you sit, think, and relax? That okay, what is the strategy? No, okay, now we have lost it. Okay, done. We have got this loss in the business. Okay, done. But where to start afresh from? Which is the place where we have to sit and get ourselves rebooted, be it professionally, be it personally, be it socially, anything. So yes, home is something which is definitely proving its importance over this period of time again and again now.
Beautifully said, Mr. Anuj. Thank you. उमेश जी, घर तुमच्यासाठी काय आहे?
माझ्या मते होम इज वन ऑफ द सेफेस्ट प्लेस ऑन दी अर्थ आणि कम्फर्टेबल प्लेस ऑन दी अर्थ आहे. आणि मला प्राऊड आहे की मी माझ्या स्वतःच्या हक्काच्या घरात राहतो. That's it.
Thank you, Mr. Umesh. Well, या लॉकडाउन मध्ये आपण भरपूर गोष्टी शिकलोय. ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो आपने खुद के बारे में डिस्कवर की है इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान? मिस्टर जेम्स, क्या आप हमें बताना चाहेंगे आपके बारे में?
मैम, मैं तो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरा ये इतने सारे लाइफ मीन्स द लाइफ कि हाउ पीपल वांट टू लिव अ लाइफ. इसने सिखाया है, कोरोना वायरस ने सिखा दिया है कि इंसान को जीना कैसा है. यू हैव टू सी ईच एंड एवरी वे, बिकॉज दिस इज अ टफ टाइम. जो हम करते थे, आज जो कर रहे हैं, जैसा एवरीथिंग इन फाइनेंशियली एवरीथिंग सिखाया है कि कोई चीज हम लिविंग ऑफ स्टाइल, बहुत लिविंग ऑफ स्टाइल चेंज कर दिया है पूरा लोगों का. मैं तो खुद का ही बात करता हूँ, क्योंकि व्हेन वी गो आउट ऑफिस, वी स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ मनी एवरी डे. When sitting in the office, home, doing a business, I'm not spending my 500 rupees from home because I'm going out. I'm spending दिन में 2, 3, 4 हजार रुपया तो क्लाइंट के साथ रहता तो जाता है, बचता है, तो कुछ होता है. बट जीना कैसा है वो कोरोना वायरस ने सिखाया है कि मेरे को बहुत बड़ा एक्सपीरियंस मिला लाइफ का कि आगे चलकर कैसा जीना है और कैसा रहना है, और लोगों के साथ लोगों को कैसा सिखाना. मीन्स मैं मेरे घर वालों को भी बात कर रहा, और मोस्ट ऑफ द अच्छा चीज वो था मेरे साथ कि मैं मेरे ये टाइम में जितना फैमिली को 40 आई गॉट मैरिड, माई 30 years मैरिड, आई नॉट स्पेंडेड माई टाइम विथ माई फैमिली, बट 4 months ऐसा लगता है कि मैं 40 साल से मैं घर में मीन्स 30 साल से मैं घर में बैठ के मेरे वाइफ लोगों के साथ, बच्चे लोग के साथ, फैमिली के साथ टाइम बिताया. दिस इज अ वेरी बिग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी इन माई लाइफ. और मैं ये जो सीखा है जो है ये कंटिन्यूटी करते रहूंगा. मैं काम जो टाइम पे टाइम करूंगा और घर पे ज्यादातर टाइम बिताऊंगा. नाउ अभी तो दिस लॉकडाउन में सी इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी इन माय ऑफिस एंड माय ऑफिस इन एमजी रोड. आई गो एंड सिट इन माय ऑफिस. साल, 1.5 साल, 2 साल क्लाइंट ऑफिस में नहीं आएंगे, साइट पे विजिट करेंगे, साइट से जाएंगे, वापस अपना अपना घर पर वापस आ गए. मीन्स यही होएगा. दिन में 3 अपॉइंटमेंट 4 अपॉइंटमेंट करो, अपना घर. बट जो ऑफिस में हम जाते थे, बैठते थे, मीन्स हमारा भी टाइम ऑफिस में क्लाइंट नहीं रहता तो भी हमारा टाइम निकल जाता था. मीन्स किसके चाहिए, इसको बुलाओ, उसको बुलाओ, बैठे उससे बात करो, ये करो. बट अभी का जो टाइम है, इट्स वेरी टफ टाइम. वी हैव टू सी ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. फाइनेंशियली हर एक चीज देखना चाहिए, क्योंकि आगे का टाइम बता नहीं सकता कि आगे का टाइम कैसा है. वो सब सोचकर अभी का जो सीखने मिला है लाइफ में, आई गॉट अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस इन माय लाइफ. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Mr. James, for sharing what you discovered during this lockdown period. Mr. Anuj, what would you like to highlight on this question?
Well, ma'am, I must say, like, being into both the lines of profession or the business of my, being into hospitality, as I said, I'm into restaurants and real estate both. Certainly, yes, I have lost a lot in both the businesses, real estate as well as restaurants. So at times when in the initial days when I was feeling that, boss, we have lost it, we'll have to restart from zero, not the zero, rather minus. There was a time when even I was feeling so frustrated that, oh, we have lost it, boss, we have lost it, we have lost everything and all. And certainly, like there was a time which came, which made us realize that, no, boss, we have lost, maybe we have lost money, we have lost business, we have lost a lot of things, but we have not lost hope. So this particular time has turned out to be a time of learning for me. Typically, if we say a term called manthan, this is a time which has turned out to be a time of manthan to introspect within ourselves. Ki boss, whatever luxuries or whatever necessities we were thinking that they are, without them we can't work. Whatever temptations of life we have, being it shopping, being it, going on vacation, being it, like any damn thing where we used to spend earlier. Now during this lockdown, even if you have money, you can spend it. Where will you go to buy jewelry? Where will you go to buy branded clothes? Where will you buy it in your luxury car? This is all being just rotten. So ultimately, what introspection I got during this particular time was that this is the high time that we realize that our priorities are actually not the ones which we used to chase earlier. Our priorities have changed now. We have to have a different, different perception as well as perspective to look at our priorities now. Our priorities have certainly changed. Our priorities are relationships, which is definitely the most important investment for anybody in the life. Our priorities is not just to earn money. My priority has definitely changed from earning money to earning humans now. पैसा हर कोई कमाता है, but my late mother used to always tell me that everybody in the world earns money. You are a successful businessman if you know how to earn humans in life, because that is the best asset of your life, which will have no impact of no pandemic ever. If you have good friends, if you have good well-wishers in life, they'll never deplete. You will never say that, okay, I have lost a friend because of a pandemic. You will never lose terms. You will never lose relationships. So this is something that I learned the most, that no, it is not we who have suffered alone, or it is not we who have suffered the most. I have seen people say, like, I'll give you a small example, that I have taken up an initiative where I'm helping a lot of senior citizen couples living in and around 3 to 4 kilometer radius of my place. The day when I had, the day when I got most frustrated that, oh, boss, I've lost business, my restaurant is gone, my food business is gone, my real estate is gone. That day, when for the first time I got a call from a senior citizen saying that Anuj, we are in need of vegetables, groceries, medicines to be supplied. We are worried. We cannot move out of home because we are worried. We don't have kids. Few of them have kids, but still they are living so far. Geographic distance is so much that they can travel. So when we see the agony of those people who have money, loads of money those people have, but they don't have courage to move out of their home. I'm saying other I'm even not even advising them to move out of their home. Be in that home which is considered as the safest investment, the safest heaven. We are there. I am there to help you guys out. So I took initiative of going out, procuring their list, going to the medical shop, going to the more Reliance, everything, procuring material and delivering by myself in my own car. This is the time when I realized that boss, round the year for so many years, these 38 employees of mine who work in my restaurant, they have been actually serving me, but I never thought for them beyond their salaries, incentives, or maybe bonuses at Diwali. This is the time when everybody has that fear of death in their mind. When you go and talk to them, saying that no, Baba, don't worry, this is not the end of the world. I am with you. Let me know if I can be of any help to you. The kind of loss that person has at that point of moment is actually the biggest profit which anybody can earn that during these days of time, pandemic especially. So this is the days, these are the timings which has actually, given a lot of new perspectives of life, perspective of being human, you know. So, as they say that, if you are helping out somebody, so during these days, especially if you're giving somebody, I have even tried my hands on some little initiative from my hand towards the fellow consultants also, who are either financially too poor or they have never seen the stages of being at an organized consultant also. I have taken initiative of taking few of them with me, telling them that if you have any leads, if you have anybody who wants to buy something, you have fear of moving out from your home, please connect me to them. I'll counsel them for you. Together we will take them to go the site visits, or I'll counsel them for which project to go, which not to. So in a way, I have tried to practice that empathy with everybody I could, be it senior citizens, be it people around me, be it needy people, be it my own employees, and the sparkle in their eyes, the satisfaction which they have is something which has given me a lot of profits, I must say, during these times as well.
So somehow you have been able to decide on your priorities. You discovered so many priorities of yours,
Yeah, yeah.
and you have discovered yourself in this situation.
Now we have discovered ourselves also, and at the same time, we have discovered that there are a lot of things that we used to think that this is our priority, and actually it is not. Seriously, we were running behind the mirage, like that. Okay, we knew that okay, these luxuries are something which we want to attain. These like lifestyle we want to attain. We have been actually running around behind them for a good long time. But these uh, COVID times have taught us that even if you would have earned everything, even if like I've been owning a luxury resort somewhere, I've been owning a luxury yacht somewhere, I've been owning a luxury fleet of cars, but of what use? They all are just lost. So the only thing which is giving you that sense of the feeling that okay, I am alive in these times also when we are seeing so much of casualties everywhere, so much of suffering in everywhere around. I am lucky that I am alive, and in order to feel that the happiness that I am alive, I need to have a place over my head, which is my home. So this is something really which has proven that this is what priorities are, and we have started working towards the refined priorities now. Whatever, be it in terms of priority, yes, this is a good quality time we should spend with our seniors in the house. That is our priority now. It is the quality time which we should spend with our kids. That is the priority now. It is the quality time of even if you have a person who is serving you your 24 hours helpers in the house. where you never used to even ask them throughout the day, how are you doing, boss? No, so a lot of things are there where your our priorities have changed right now. Business is one thing which we can certainly do by sitting at home also up to a good extent. I'm not saying that we can run the depot business from here, but yes, I must say there are people who have done good number of deals. There are people who have done good number of courses. My fellow friend, I'm really happy for most of them. They have been flashing the certificate that okay, we have done this course from this institute, this university during the pandemic. We have taken these certifications. So if somebody asks me, I would certainly say that I have also earned a certification, and that certification of being able to help others, of being able to live up to a little extent for others also. We all live for ourselves. The moment we start living for others, that is when we are human. So that is what this time has taught me.
So true. Beautifully said, Mr. Anuj. Thank you for
Thanks.
sharing what you have discovered, what you feel during these tough times. Thank you, Mr. Anuj. Well, Mr. Umesh, आपण हे विचार करतोय की ह्या लॉकडाऊन मध्ये भरपूर आपल्याला वेळ भेटला स्वतःसाठी.
Yes.
तर आपण स्वतःबद्दल काय डिस्कवर केलं आहे की आमच्यासोबत प्लीज शेअर करा.
रेग्युलर रुटीन पर्सनल फ्रंटला आणि प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी पेंडिंग असतात. आपण त्या गोष्टीला प्रायोरिटी देत नसतो, पण या लॉकडाऊन मध्ये त्या गोष्टीला वेळ देता आला. पर्सनल लेवलला माझ्या घरातला एक एक्सपिरियन्स सांगतो. माझी मुलगी 10 वर्षाची आहे. आता 3 महिन्यामध्ये 4 महिन्यामध्ये क्वालिटी जे बॉन्डिंग आमचं 3 महिन्यात झालं कधीच झालं नव्हतं. म्हणजे मला रुटीन मध्ये हे दुर्लक्ष होतं की हा ठीक आहे वाईफ मॅनेज करते डॉटर. तिला असं कळालं की अरे ही गोष्ट मी खूप मिस करत होतो. तिला जो आता क्वालिटी वेळ मी देऊ शकलो. आणि सगळ्यात मोठा म्हणजे वर्क फ्रॉम होम. मी मध्ये पण बिंग रिअल एस्टेट मध्ये आम्ही हा विचार नव्हता केला की मला पण वर्क फ्रॉम होम करता येईल. तर तो एक बिगर डिस्कवर फॅक्टर आहे मला असं वाटतं.
धन्यवाद मिस्टर उमेश, तुमच्याबद्दल तुम्ही आमच्यासोबत शेअर केलं. Well, coming up with my next question, we are talking about priorities. We are talking about what are we discovering, thoughts, what we are discovering in our own selves. Well, I want to understand one thing. मैंने आप सभी से पूछा था कि ऐसी कोई कंफर्टेबल जगह है आपके घर में, तो आप सभी ने अपने अपने आंसर्स दिए. तो अभी मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, जो आपकी कंफर्टेबल प्लेस है घर के अंदर, तो वो जगह क्यों है और आप उसमें सबसे ज्यादा क्या ऐसी चीज करते हैं? क्या आप हमारे साथ वो बात शेयर कर सकते हैं प्लीज? मिस्टर जेम्स, you said that bedroom is your favorite place.
Yeah, of course, bedroom is my famous place, and second place is my sit out, where on the first floor where I sit. My office is there. I made my office in first floor, sit out. Whatever work, whatever spend, I want to spend time. Mostly, I spend time my sit out only, doing work and all. Then rest of the things, I tired, I go to my bedroom, I relax there.
Is it also a good way to take a small nap in between your work?
Yeah. Pardon?
Is it also
I can't hear you.
to take a small nap in between your work?
Yeah. Yes, of course.
Thank you, Mr. James, for sharing your secret along with us. Mr. Anuj, you said that terrace is your favorite place in the house. So why is it so? You, of course, feel the nature. What else apart from that? Why do you like your terrace so much?
See, I'll tell you this thing, ma'am. Pre-COVID and during COVID, the perceptions, about our own properties have changed a lot. Earlier, the mindset was such. Even we used to say like, when it is. See, there is a difference between a typical broker and a consultant. When we call ourselves a consultant, when we call ourselves a realtor, we have to have a lot of refined approach towards the buyers, to the prospects. Earlier, even we used to see that, okay, the certain client who has approached us, uska budget come hai, so we used to tell him, okay, even if we used to play smart earlier, that when client used to come and say कि मेरे को एक 3 bedroom खरीदना है for X budget, and when we knew कि just 3 BHK he cannot get in that budget, but we never used to discourage him. What we used to tell him, why do you need a 3 BHK? It is just you and your wife and a small kid at home. Both of you are working. Both of you are out of your home in your respective offices whole day. The home you need only to come and sleep. That's it, only for the night hours. So why do you want to invest in a 3 BHK? You buy a 2 BHK. We used to try to make sure that it fits in his budget and he buys that. Now, the time when these times came, when we were locked up inside our own home, we realized that what does it mean to have open space? What does it mean to have a spread out space? I must confess that though, as I said, like I live in a duplex penthouse. It's a 3 bedroom, 2,400 square feet unit. But still, number of bedrooms are just 3. I've got 2 kids. Both of them are having their classes going on, so they need one room each. Then certainly my wife, I have got my father staying with us, so they need one room each. So ultimately, I am left to be in the balcony only. But fortunately, that is a terrace. I have a terrace which is 30 feet by 15 feet. I mean 450 square feet of the terrace is with me. So there we have got a lot of greenery around, lot of pots around. I said, okay, I've got a jhula hanging around over there. I sit with my cell and my AirPods, and I start my business sitting over there, sipping a cup of tea, coffee, anything. During these times of pandemic, yes, I have shifted out 1 or 2 more chairs over there that okay I can fit. So for me, even if I say like James White that my bedroom is my favorite place, that is no more my favorite place. I can't work over there. I can't enjoy it. I am a music lover. I can't enjoy music over there sitting over there because whole day there's a lot of chilpo, being around in the house. So yes, that all makes, and see, as I said, I am an absolute nature lover. So I have got clear views of the mountains from my terrace. I have a clear view of all the the defense area greenery from my terrace. So that is what gives me a good feeling of freshness when I look up to such green carpets around, such lush greenery around. That gives a good inner peace. That gives a good mental peace, especially after being frustrated at lot many times that oh God we lost such deal. Our client who was just supposed to register the deal, he just said okay I would like to wait for pandemic to get over. This is a very common excuse what we all realtors are facing these days. People want to buy, they had come, they had selected, they had paid token, but they are still not registered. They were just wanting to wait. They were actually speculating the market will go down, then we will buy. It's not happening, of course. But all these work-related tensions, professional tensions, and all, and personal challenges, I must say, they're not tensions, but a lot of challenges, and all this brainstorming which happens for clients. Now, being at home, as I said, that we have realized that our priorities are different now. So,
Correct.
to strike a right balance between all these things, you need not just me time, I need me place also, my corner of the house. So that's
So
what is
terrace
a
has
big
been
terrace.
a multiple usage place for you.
Certainly, yes, not just
You
a
do
big terrace,
multiple
I
things.
must say a fairly big size. I must say, ma'am, this thing I have learned during the pandemic that you or all the prospects, all the buyers, this is the time when we should start sharing with them that boss, you don't need to buy 10 different properties. You buy one house first and foremost one house. But if you need 2 bedroom, please buy 3. During the time of pandemic, it has proven that we need a workplace also within house also if we are working from home. So the space, the value of space, the value of space around, open spaces around, has actually added up during these pandemic, which we have realized also. So that's
Amazing.
how my favorite area is my terrace.
थँक्यू मिस्टर अनुज. उमेशजी तुमची सुद्धा फेवरेट जागा घरामध्ये टेरेस आहे आणि टेरेस ही जागा चहा पिण्यासाठी तर आहेच जे तुम्ही आमच्यासोबत शेअर केली, पण त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त अजून काय तुम्ही करता टेरेसमध्ये किंवा तुम्हाला टेरेस एवढं का आवडतं?
हा माझा हा प्रश्न रिचा तर तू चहाच्या ओव्हर द ड्रिंक विथ द फ्रेंड मला वाटतं की बरेचसे लॉकडाऊन मध्ये जे काय झूम कॉल झालेत नेटवर्क इश्यूमुळे मी टेरेस मध्ये खूप कम्फर्टेबली अटेंड केलेले. अनदर USP ऑफ टेरेस इज अटेंडिंग झूम कॉल.
Certainly.
Amazing. Super. Thank you, Mr. Ramesh. Well, coming up with my last two questions now. We know that हमारे प्रायोरिटीज क्या है. हमने डिस्कवर की है काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें इस लॉकडाउन में, काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है हमने. वेल इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान आप लोगों की फैमिली के लिए और आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ क्या थी? क्या आप मुझे मे बी एक वर्ड में या फिर एक सेंटेंस में से डिस्क्राइब करके प्लीज़ बता सकते हैं? Mr. James, with you. Please start this.
टुगेदरनेस, साथ, सबका साथ में बैठ के, हर घर में इतने लोग हैं, हर एक का बर्थडे होता है, हर एक का वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी होता है, तो वी हैव अ मीन्स 20 मेंबर्स एट होम, तो किसी को बाहर से बुलाने का मीन्स रिस्ट्रिक्शन चाहिए. इवन आई एम चेयरमैन ऑफ अ सोसाइटी. देयर इज अ रिस्ट्रिक्शन आई केप्ट, नोबडी शुड कम to without any walk and all the society. तो सबके लिए रखा है, तो मैंने भी मेरे लिए रखा है, और आई एम स्पेंडिंग माई टाइम विद फैमिली. दैट इज द बेस्ट. फैमिली में ही सब कुछ है, दोस्त, यहाँ सब कुछ फैमिली में. वी आर ज्यादातर टाइम मीन्स फैमिली के साथ ही, और फैमिली के एक दूसरे का अच्छा बुरा सब देखने मिला है, और अच्छे से सबके साथ चल रहा हूँ.
Beautiful.
That is my.
That's amazing. Mr. Anuj, what was the most important thing for you and your family during this lockdown?
It was certainly the safety and security of my family. Being under a common roof for most of the possible time together throughout the day. So that was the most important thing for me during the times of COVID.
Super. Thank you, Mr. Anuj. उमेश जी, तुमच्यासाठी आणि तुमच्या परिवारासाठी सर्वात जास्त महत्त्वाची गोष्ट कुठली होती या लॉकडाऊन मध्ये?
हा, आता मगाशी मी मेन्शन केल्याप्रमाणे आता आपण अन्न, वस्त्र, निवारा या 3 मूलभूत गरजांपैकी अजून एक गरज किंवा एक अजून आपल्या सगळ्यांच्याच आले ते म्हणजे हेल्थ. आपण ती घेत होतो अगोदर, पण आता जास्त कॉन्शियसली आपण घेतो, याकडे जास्त सिरियसली घेतला घेतो. हेल्थ इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट फॅक्टर राईट नाऊ ऑल ओव्हर द ग्लोब.
सुपर. थँक्यू मिस्टर उमेश. तुम्ही आमच्याबद्दल तुमचे व्ह्यूज शेअर केले की सर्वात जास्त महत्त्वाची गोष्ट कुठली होती लॉकडाऊन काळात. Well, coming up with my last question now, what are the efforts that you have taken to keep yourself and your family safe? Mr. James?
मैम, अभी फैमिली आई टेकन केयर ऑफ माई फैमिली टेकन ऑफ माई केयर. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, जो भी घर पे चीज लगता था सब कुछ. वी हैव अ मेंबर, वन पर्सन गोज आउट, मैं बोलता था कि यू गो आउट, यू टेक दिस थिंग, ड्रिंक. वो आप घर पर आते थे तो गेट खोलता है तो उसको सैनिटाइजर से पूरा वॉश करता था. सब कुछ, हर एक चीज घर पे लेडीज लोगों को खाली किचन का काम रहता था, और उनको जो चीज चाहिए था उनको सब कुछ सही जगह पे मिल जाता था, और कोई चीज का उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता था. इवन घर का भी है और सोसाइटी का भी, बिकॉज my 52 bungalow society, the society is also my family. Okay, I have to take care of them also, because so many call comes at the night also, 12 बजे 2 बजे, बाबा ऐसा हो गया. Then I have to go to the gate, I have to open the gate. So I have to take care of my society also, I have to take care of my family also. Everybody was giving a nice अच्छा cooperate करते थे, और अभी भी करते हैं, और घर में भी अच्छे से सबको संभाल के सबको अच्छे से रखा है.
Beautifully said, Mr. James. Thank you. Mr. Anuj, what are the safety measures that you took for yourself and your family?
Yeah, I do have fairly decent size of an extended family to me as well. I have all the workers of both the restaurants who are holed up with us. because of the lockdown. And yes, we in the initial days, in the first lockdown when they were about to leave, being scared of the pandemic, we told them that no, Baba, you don't go to your place, your native, because there are no testing facilities, there are no like care centers being available. So they all trusted us for their lives at that point of time. So it is certainly yes our duty to make sure that we give them that point of satisfaction, that feeling of satisfaction. We should continue with it. So yes, there are around 18, 19 of them who are left right now, who are stayed back with us. So we are certainly taking care of them, all of them. Then, as I said, that I am actually like supporting a lot of senior citizen couples who are either childless or their kids are their children not putting up with them for some or other reason. Either they are away working overseas, working in different cities and all. So because those are the people who are also looking to me to take care of them now. So they all have become a family now. So I must say, including my immediate family, I talk about, let's say, my spouse, my wife, both the kids, my father. Yes, and all of them. The common thing, what I have been telling them is that number one is that yes, we need to be careful. See, there is a difference between being careful and being fearful. You know, I am trying my level best to tell everybody that please remove the fear of death from your mind first of all. You know, even if you talk about corona figures or the expiring or the happening because of COVID worldwide, trust me, many folds of such these figures are already the count where people expire round the year for different, different causes. I must say, you talk about HIV, you talk about, you talk about like any other cause of medical, failures. So there is much bigger figure where people expire out of that. So this is what I'm trying to preach to everyone that please make sure that you understand the difference between being fearful and being careful. You have to be careful. Please make sure that you are maintaining all the health and hygiene standards being specified and used by everybody, all the medical professionals or everybody around. And yes, I must say, this is what even I personally, me being from North, we were not used to of removing footwear outside house. We move around the entire house wearing our shoes, slippers and all. This is the time when we realize, no, what now, like a lot of things we are learning now. That see, people have been putting off slippers and shoes outside their house. So, and especially these days when we are putting up, that there was a sense in the seniors when they used to say, a lot of things. Why people used to say that okay, the moment you're entering your house from outside, wash face, wash hands with soap. Why only during pandemic? So yes, I've been able to follow myself, learn a lot, and preach as well. That have the fear in your mind, but not fear. Fear if you have, it won't let you live. So that's what I've been trying to tell everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Anu. This has to be a regular practice, absolutely. Well, Mr. Umesh, तुम्ही तुमच्या आणि तुमच्या परिवारासाठी काय काय काळजी घेतलीत ह्या लॉकडाऊनच्या दरम्यान?
येस, ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, सगळ्यात 2-3 महत्वाच्या ज्या गोष्टी मी केल्या ते म्हणजे एक तर न्यूजपेपर घरचा बंद केला, न्यूज चॅनल्स बघणं बंद केलं, मोस्ट ऑफ अननेसेसरी व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपवरनं एक्झिट घेतली. तर हे 3 मेजर फॅक्टर मी केले. बाकी सगळ्या आपण सेफ्टी नॉर्म्स फॉलो करतोच आहे, जे सगळे करतायत, पण हे 3 फॅक्टर मी मेजरली ऍप्लिकेबल केले.
Thank you so much, Mr. Umesh. Well, I'm really thankful to all our panel members. Unfortunately, Mr. James has been locked out due to some network issues. So I'm really thankful to Mr. James for joining in and sharing his thoughts and his views about his priorities. Priority number 1 in this pandemic situation was being fulfilled by living in our own home, in our own houses. We were safe inside. And with this, I would like to thank our panel members. Mr. Anuj Mathur, thank you so much for sparing the time and sharing your views, your understanding about this
My pleasure,
current
ma'am.
scenario. Thank you. And Mr. Ramesh, thank you so much. तुम्ही आमच्यासोबत आले, तुमचे व्ह्यूज, तुमचे थॉट्स आमच्यासोबत शेअर केले त्याबद्दल खूप 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 धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
Dhanyawad. Well, thank you so much. Well, with this, we say a goodbye to you all. This was the first edition of Priority number 1, and I'm glad that we were somehow able to solve the questions of so many viewers of ours today. And we will be back with the second edition very soon. So thank you so much. In the meantime, I would like to tell our audience, stay tuned for more updates and don't miss out on watching this particular session. Okay, thankfully Mr. James is back at the right time. Mr. James, would you like to say a thank you and a goodbye to the audience? Thank you so much for
thank you everybody. See you again.
See you all
bye bye
in the second edition. Bye bye. See you all.
Yeah,
Thank you.
bye bye. Thank you.